done? You ready? Who's this? Who's this for? Who is this for? What is it, Tom? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? What's in the bag? What is this? Get it open. One at a time, Goober.
You gotta help him. Gotta show him where to get it.
Look, you got it right there.
Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it, dude. Go on. What is the first toy you got?
Look, Boo.
Is it octopus?
It's your octopus!
Hey, I'm done with that. I want the next toy. I'm done with that. I want the next toy. What's this? How many pictures are you gonna take?
Trying to get a good one. Rip it open, Boo.
I can hear it, dude.
Get it, get it. There you go. There you go.
Okay, that's the toy. You don't have to rip that open.
Let me see. Who is this?
Is there something else? Is there something else, dude? You don't care.
Is there one more thing? What is this?
That don't sound like no toy. Say, let go of it, woman.
Oh, he got that right out.
You're making a mess, dude.
Look, this is it, buddy.
You better clean it. What's that? What's that?
Look, Boo. Who's this for? Happy birthday, Tom. Is that for you?
That looks awful big for one little dude.
He's sharing.
Who he sharing
He
with?
got doggy friends.
You should take him a piece.
Are you happy? Who?
To Moo.
Moo and Pudding? You want to share with Moo and Pudding? Is this too much excitement for one day, Tom?